Hello everyone, my name is Babu, and welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of our Linux Zero to Hero series. In day 1, we learned what an operating system is, what Linux kernel is, what CLI is, Linux distributions, how to set up Linux using Docker, EC2, package managers. Today, we are going to understand Linux folder structure, one of the most important fundamentals every Linux, DevOps, and cloud engineer must know. Let's begin. Free Linux Course by Babu. I'll use Docker to access Linux. Once you run the Docker command, already shared in day 1, you enter the Linux terminal. You'll see something like root Ubuntu, Let's understand what this means. Root Ubuntu. This has 3 important parts. 1. User, root. This tells us who is logged in. Root is the administrator user in Linux. Root has full permissions. In real companies, normal users are created, not root. Example: Babu, user Babu. Dev team, separate users. Root is used only for administrative work. 2. Host name, Ubuntu. This is the machine name. Useful when you manage multiple servers, you SSH into many Linux machines. 3. Current path. This is the most important part. Means you are at the root of the file system. Think of, like, Google Drive main folder, C-Drive drive in Windows. All Linux folders start from. A file system is simply how files and folders are organized on storage. In Linux, everything starts from the. All folders exist under. Run ls. You'll see folders like bin spin lib usr, etc. Home opt var tmp boot. Each folder has a specific purpose. Let's understand them one by one. SBIN, system binaries. SBIN checks system binaries. These are administrative commands, used only by root or admins. Examples: user add, create users; group add, create groups; disk and system management commands. Normal users should not access these. Bin, user binaries. Bin, user commands. These are safe commands that any user can run. Examples: ls, list files, date, cat, mkdir, diff. Difference between bin and sbin. Bin, normal users. Sbin, admins only. Lib, libraries. Lib contains system libraries, used by Linux kernel. Users don't directly interact with these, required for system to function properly. Boot, boot files. Boot contains files required to start Linux, used during boot, restart. On Docker, mostly empty. On EC2, VM, contains kernel and boot files. Home, user directories. Each user gets a home directory inside home. Example: home, Babu, home, Ubuntu. Why? User files are private. Each user has their own space. Exception: root user home, root, usr, user system resources. Inside, usr, usr bin, usr, bin, usr lib. These are the actual locations of binaries. Folders like bin and bin are shortcuts to usr bin and usr bin. Just like Windows desktop shortcut, actual program, SRV, server, used for web server data, application services. If no server, usually empty. Opt, optional, third-party software. This is very important. Use opt to install. Custom Java versions, third-party tools, company software. Example: opt custom tool, opt Java 17. Why not install in home? Home is user-specific. Opt is shared and clean. Var, variable data and logs. Var stores logs, cache, runtime data. Important folder, var, log. Web servers like Apache, Nginx store logs here. TMP, temporary, used for short-lived files, scripts, auto-deleted data. Linux clears this automatically. Proc, dev, run. These are virtual folders. System info, process data, runtime information. Used by kernel, advanced scripts. You'll learn these later. Don't worry now. Etc. Configuration files. Most important folder. Etc. stores. System configuration, app configs, network settings. Examples. Etc. password, users, etc. hosts, DNS mapping, etc. OS release, OS info. Think of etc. as mobile settings, system control panel. When you want to change how a service behaves, you will almost always edit a file inside, etc. A small mistake in a configuration file can prevent a service from starting or even cause the entire system to malfunction. Why does this work? ls, but not, .usr, bin ls? Answer, path environment variable. Check it. Echo, path Linux checks, .usr, bin, .usr, sbin, bin, sbin. If command exists, execute it. If not, command not found. Today you learned Linux file system starts at purpose of each major folder, difference between admin and user binaries, why Linux is secure and structured, add any subtitle. Make the background music very calm and polite. See you in day 3.